everybody, Kenny makes the Southern Boys Outdoors. Man, I got a great show for y'all today. A simple, easy recipe to cook our Southern Boyz Outdoors Pastalaya. Just don't get no better than that right there. We're gonna hit the bottom of that pot with just a little bit of that lead pan right there with the salt. Just a little bit, just to get that pot going. Y'all, then we can come over here, y'all, look at here. We got 2 of them big Vidalia onions chopped up right there. We got our pork, that's temple meat. We got our boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we got our smoked sausage. We're gonna put all that in the pot right here, y'all. Oh, get all that in there one time, y'all. Add it all in at one time. Woo-wee. Get that pork in there, like that. There we go, and then right here, y'all, we're gonna hit it with them onions. Oh, like I say, that's the big Vidalia, sweet onion, boy. All right, y'all. Right here, look at that. We browning all that down. Look at them onions. Look how pretty that's looking right there. Get all that good and brown. We're gonna be adding our water and our pastalaya here in a minute. All right, y'all, here we go. We got the sharp mid on, and it's time to check that pastalaya out. Oh, look at there, boy. Oh, getting all that all brown down. See how it's starting to stick to the bottom right there? Looking good, smelling good. All right, y'all, time to add that water. We're gonna add 8 cups of water to it right now. That's 4. Add 4 more cups of water to it. Now what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna bring that to a boil. All right, y'all, that water should be boiling now. Woo-wee, look at that, look at that. Oh, that's looking so good, so good. All right, y'all, we got 1 pack of that Southern Boyz Outdoors Pastalaya. We're gonna dump it on in there like that. We got a second pack, look at that. Dump it in there, you get all that seasoning in there. Now, y'all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get that a good mix up. And you see all that seasoning breaking up. Look at all that seasoning going in there. Oh, man. You can see the immediate color change of everything. Oh, I like seeing it right here, y'all. Looking good, smelling good. We'll get that good mixed up really good right there. Now, what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna let it boil. We're just gonna let it boil, let it keep cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we'll shut it down and we're gonna just let it soak. All right, y'all, here we go. Let's check it. Been boiling for about 8 minutes or so. Oh, look at that. Oh, looking so good. All right, y'all, what we're gonna do now, y'all, we're just gonna shut that fire all the way off. All the way off. Get that old sharp nip back on right there like that. What we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna lid it up like that. And we're just gonna let it do its thing. 20, 30 minutes from now, we're gonna be eating pastalaya. Look at that, Daddy, show them that. Oh my goodness, boy. Man, I gotta fix me a plate of that, Danny. I can't wait no longer. All right, here, let me get me one of them good old paper plates right there that everybody complains about. Look at that. Oh man, look at that pastalaya going on there right there. Like that. Look at that right there. Ooh, you gotta give me some noodles. I ain't hardly got no noodles. Got so much meat in there. Oh, lay that right there. Look at that. Reach in there, get you a couple pieces of that bunny bread. Gotta have that bunny bread. Take that bunny bread, you use it like that. Oh, stop with that little bit of gravy. Taste some noodles. Perfect. Taste that temple meat. Perfect. Taste that chicken. Hit that sausage. Sop it up with that bunny bread. Hey, I'm telling you right now, y'all. Southern Boyz Outdoors Pastalaya. It just don't get no better than that right there.